Trubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
U MLA ka VPP na Maulai constituency u ba Bright Star Well Marbanyang. Ulabu Kylli ka Magistrate da ka baong Hato ka section Shispa Sapusau CRPC ka Kham bor banya ka article kat khandai jong kari tisen shar kari. Ya kani u ba Bright ula Kylli haba ka Magistrate kala khanglat khangnanti ka seng VPP ban pen I ka jingki ka bala penno khmat ka slem trikam ka DC office. Hakani kasni la sakhi baka Magistrate kala batai ki halor ki kendon an ki balong persya ya kaseng ban penong ya kajing ya ki hendai na kaliang kaseng kala ong baka wan hakate ke jaka ban ya ki komshi benta ban yeng na benta ki pat ba klem dara kinu ki tiar men saw bar klem dale persya ya kinu ki kendon an.
If one section
we have gone through. Are we using any? We are protesting peacefully. We are protesting peacefully. Do you see any intelligence anywhere?
We have laws.
I'm so sorry. We also have laws. The Constitution of India is to protect the people, and these elected representatives are here to protect the people, which the dictatorship government is trying to do whichever it can to suppress the common people, which we will not allow that. That's the reason we have come on the streets. Please read to me, simple.
We have been empowered. DM
Who
has
has
been
empowered?
by the Constitution.
We are also empowered by the Constitution.
The office of the DM is a constitutional
But then just tell me.
It is a legal
Just tell
and
me.
authorized body.
Just tell me.
Legal and authorized body.
Just tell me.
Just as the
Section
Constitution
144
gives
is
you
higher
rights.
than Article 19.
Karong article higher
Huh?
come higher rule, but
No, just tell me. Just tell me. Just tell me. Section 144 is higher than Article 19.
Article 19. Please read through Article 19.
Peaceful protest without arms.
Please read through.
We have gone. Use force. You just cannot use force. What's all this? This is all force. You're not allowing us to move forward. Exactly.
You understand the situation in the state?
Yes.
I just want to send this message.
Yes.
This is very
You
wrong.
understand the situation?
Yes.
I just want to send a message. I just want to send a message. You understand the situation in the state? Let's not talk about the common people. But we, as elected representatives, whom the people have elected, cannot even exercise our right and
You
duty.
can exercise your rights,
Huh?
but just for
That is the
today,
situation.
and in certain areas
The government that we have now.
144, we request you kindly, sir,
Dictatorial.
send your support to the district administration.
Dictatorial government.
Dictatorship.
Rights come with duties.
We know.
Right comes with duties.
It is
and
our
you
duty.
can protest as much
When we
as
see
you want
that the state is going down because of
in
corruption and
coordination
everything,
and
when officials
it is
elected
your
by
right,
the
sir.
government
It is
itself,
your right.
they have
It is
been
your right.
removed because they are
It
doing
is
their
your
rightful
right.
duty.
We
It
can
is
question
our
that,
duty
sir. We can
to stand up for them.
There is no question on that.
Otherwise,
The
our state will
question
go to the drain.
is to honor
We
your
already in the
order.
drain.
It is already in the drain.
Lada Hima ban honor him yet for your order. What
Honor.
magistrate? Imagine the.
We consider us an honor to come here to protest.
Are you saying that the district magistrate's order is higher than the Constitution of India?
I am saying
That is what you're implying. So is the DC's order. We are talking
Section 144 is higher than
No.
That Section 144 is higher than fundamental rights.
It's a fundamental
Just tell
right.
me. Just tell me.
We are talking about the Constitution of
144 is
India.
higher than
It is
fundamental
not
rights.
higher. The
You cannot say that. You cannot say that DC's order is.
District magistrate.
No,
It is not higher than the
But
Constitution of India.
rights,
Sorry.
yes.
What
is that? What is that? Please, oh my God! I'm wearing a jacket. You're scared of my jacket and my phone.
I'm talking about your attitude, sir.
No.
Not your outfit,
Look
not
at your
attire.
attitude. You are surrounded by
Not your
hundreds of
attire.
police officers here.
Not your attire, sir.
No, I'm
Please
sorry. I'm
don't
so sorry.
divert.
This is your.
I'm talking
This
about
is
your attitude.
this-
You don't have
from
respect
10
for the
o'clock.
order
From 10 o'clock we have been trying to talk peacefully. From 10 o'clock we are trying to talk to you.
If the DM's order does not stand good for you today, but any other day today, which you are not personally affected, it stands good. You see, you
It
have
depends
your
on
perspective,
situation
yes?
to situation. Maybe
Exactly.
that is what you are saying.
Thank you for
That is what
making
you
my
are saying.
point. Thank you for making
You are
my
saying.
point.
We are not saying that.
That is your perspective.
That is your perspective, ma'am, not our perspective.
You are using a right that applies to you right now.
You are
I am
using your own
enforcing-
perspective, not
I am
us.
enforcing an order, a legal order.
Exactly. You have
which
to follow the
which
legal
has
order like any
every-
other officer does.
Yes. Yes.
So we are as citizens of the state, as concerned citizens of the state, we are fighting for the right of the
citizen
people.
fighting for the
And you are
rights.
denying
They are
that,
not-
and you are
no,
suppressing.
They are not denying.
All right, so why are you
But it is
stopping
also
us?
Because there's
Simple
an
as
order
that.
of the district magistrate, sir. Again, the order of the district magistrate.
Order coming from the
Empowered.
government.
No.
Order
no,
coming
sir.
from the government. Yes, it's coming from the government.
Because we are against they are doing.
DM is a legal office. DM is a legal office. It is this very office that you turn to, the law that you turn to when there is anything wrong in the society.
But there is
Because this office, this order is not working in your favor, we denounce it. But any other day which you feel that you need...
Don't
you
say
need-
about day.
No,
Don't
no.
say.
It's all right.
You
Choose
have-
any
it is
day.
also-
We can choose any day.
Chosen the
It is
day when
also-
the
very wrong.
president
It is
comes.
also
I mean,
the
when the president
duty. It
came
is also the
to our
duty of
state.
the district
That would have been
magistrate
the best day.
to take necessary precautions. We have been careful that to ensure
Anyway,
to
there's no point.
ensure.
Looks like everyone is being fed with a broken record to go on and on and on and on.
If you go on and on, you're also talking about the same
We're
thing.
talking of the rights.
You have not given us anything new, huh? You have also